Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your GitHub account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly authenticated and secure. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to github.com. Log in with your username or email address and password. Step 2. Look for a verification banner at the top of your GitHub dashboard. If your email is not verified, you'll see a notification prompting you to verify it. Step 3. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the left sidebar, click on Emails to access your email settings page. Step 5. Under the Primary Email Address section, you'll see your email address. If it's not verified, there will be an Unverified label next to it. Step 6. Click on Resend Verification Email if you didn't receive the original email or if it expired. GitHub will send a new verification email to your inbox. Step 7. Open your email inbox and look for an email from GitHub with the subject line similar to "Please verify your email address." Step 8. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you to GitHub and automatically verify your email address. Step 9. After verification, return to your GitHub settings to confirm that your email now shows as verified or has a green checkmark next to it. Step 10. For additional security, consider enabling two-factor authentication by going to Settings, then Security, and setting up 2FA with an Authenticator app or SMS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.